Oh. 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 So this is gonna this is a backstory, okay? My stream now is it's a forest Sims. You know, like how you watch you guys play Stardew Valley? It's Van Sama, the forest Sims. An apocalyptic zombie alien story. Okay, so it's been 3 months now. Holy shit, boys and girls. It's been 3 months. And that's when we saw the first spaceship came down from the sky. That's why civilization collapsed. Originally, the aliens from outer space wanted to take over our planet and inseminate us with alien sperm and take over and, you know, destroy humankind and inseminate us with alien sperm. But then, because of pollution, they could not do it. So in a way, pollution saves our planet. Since the alien sperm cannot live in our pollution, it kills the sperm. So in a way, pollution is a positive. And then they decided, since they can't inseminate us with their alien sperm and take over, they decided to use Earth as a parking lot. They still destroy us. So that's why infrastructure is gone. That's why we're here in the forest, starting all over from scratch. Because they destroy all of our planet. It's for reals. Turn on CNN. CNN don't lie. Yeah, right. So now, just to get even, all they do is use our planet as a parking lot, and they anal probe everyone as a punishment. The hot tub, okay, good question. Orange, gray, orange. Why you build a hot tub if it's an apocalypse? Because of the heavy anal probe, the hot tub, the hot water eases the anal. So people are building hot tubs all over the world in the forest to alleviate the anal probe. Who's gonna fucking make this movie? I wanna see it. So before I started the stream, I had to put my goats out in the field, and they didn't want to go. I had to drag them. I fell down a steep hill, rolling down the steep hill. I gashed myself really bad on my chest and my arm, and I got stung by a bee in my armpit at the same time. And then I was rolling down the hill, getting gassed up, and then I landed in a pile of poison ivy. So I had to take a shower before this. I know. Died with poison ivy, and the bee is like, you know, like, hey, dude, I'm injured. And it came by, I was like this. It came by and went boop right in my armpit. It kicked me when I'm down. Oh, my shoulder. Thank you, random retard. So that's what happened. I'm just going to give you a backstory of everything. In case anybody came in late and asked, why is Van building that? You know, it's a hot tub for aliens' anal probe. And the alien has taken over the Earth, turning it into a parking lot. At first, they want to live here, but they couldn't because the pollution on Earth saved us. So pollute away. So that's what I did wrong. I did not put concrete for these posts to sit on. And the reason that I don't care is because this deck will be here. I'll be long dead, okay? So in 10 years, I don't have a lot, you know, I'm like in my 70s pretty soon. So I'll be dead before this, before this deck will collapse. And my point is that whoever gonna buy this piece of land, you put the fucking concrete underneath there if you want to. Why do I have to fucking do everything for you? It's probably gonna be a millennial, right? A millennial buying this property after I'm dead. And it's like, do something, goddammit. If you want to enjoy this, you sure you're not a gay man? I think Silky is secretly a gay man. Oh. 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 Okay, I'm gonna put the hot tub on to give you guys an idea. Where is the hot tub? This is solid. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna add a filter to it, and I'm gonna add a solar and wood burning heater.